go, got her out here. Oh, there we go. Got 15 more minutes and then I can get running. Woo. It's cold, you see my breath. Woo. Yeah, so last night we went and picked this up out at the yard out there in Pocatello and picked up a trailer, taking it over to furniture store here in Twin Falls today. But as far as I know, we don't have a load out, so it may just be a real short day for me. But I still don't want to waste the clock, so we'll wait for that to kick over there. I'm gonna go ahead and check my phone, see if she sent anything this morning. Probably not, it's pretty early. Well, doesn't look like we got anything yet, so we'll just kind of stand by and wait. From what I understand, there might be a pickup over at Glambia taking it down to Phoenix, but still haven't heard anything on that yet. So yeah, we'll just let this idle up and get up temperature. Pretty damn cold out here, so take a few minutes. While that's happening, I'm gonna go out and take a look around, make sure angry neighbor didn't get too pissed off and, I don't know, slash a tire or something stupid. Don't think it would happen, but you never know. Load lock on there. Yeah, we might be in the neighbor's area just a hair, but she's gonna have to deal with it. No slash tires, that's a good sign. Yeah, it's really not a bad truck. We drove it here last night, and she drives straight, smooth, no rattles or anything crazy. Only thing I'd say about it is, damn, it's nice to have a manual transmission again. Those automatics are fine, I guess. I mean, I've got to get used to them because that's what a lot of these companies are switching over to. I was talking to Matt last night, and he's like, you know, it really comes down to the fact that a lot of guys can't drive manual transmission, which It's because all these super carriers are training them in the automatics, and that's it. Check the kingpin real quick, make sure that's still set. You never know, people are funky, man. There we go, it's just set in there. So we're all good there. Hop in there, let it warm up. I guess I could have left the bunk heater on, but don't really feel like doing that when I'm sitting here up, you know. I was sleeping in my house last night, all warm and stuff, so. Yeah. Whew. Yeah, so here, I'll take a look inside. It's not too snabby, really. I mean, hell, got everything I could need in here. Bunch of push button lights. It's kind of cool. Got the bunk. Haven't got any of her stuff in there yet. But it's really a pretty nice bunk. Definitely not set up for any team driving, but you know, got her inverter and her microwave. A little bit older style, don't have a refrigerator or anything like that. Oh well, I'll be damned. Sure as hell does. Huh. There we go. We got a refrigerator, I guess. I didn't think we had one. Show you how much I took a look at it when I left there yesterday. Man, it was pretty late when we left there. It was about 9 o'clock, and man, it was cold. I tell you what, man, it was pretty damn cold out there. Whew. Yeah, all I'm gonna do is let this get up and get warmed up. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll be back with you when get on the road here. Fit, you know. So and it's a pretty wide corner, but I'd rather not risk it. We'll sit right here for a second. Sit right in that bad boy right there. I don't care. Do what you have to do to get to where you need to go, man. Take as much road as you need. You know, and a lot of times you're fine, but like that, I'd have been fine being over another foot, but wasn't a big deal, man. Let's see here. We're gonna go enter from down here by the supply. Looks like Cole's already here, so we'll go ahead and nice and slow in there. And fuck. That guy can wait. I ain't worried. Well, got myself a Coke Zero. I'll tell you what, that was a hell of a back in time, man. But you know, the main thing is just remain calm and take your time. I mean, that may have been part of the issue this morning was, you know, I So used to just being able to pull back and go right into the spot every damn time, and so this stuff where I don't know, I just gotta get used to the truck and trailer, I guess, you know. That's really what it's about. You know, one thing that's definitely different is little tiny movements seem to make a big deal in these bigger trailers and trucks. You know, a lot of the farm equipment I've been in and a lot of the trucks I've driven have been day cabs with 48-foot trailers, you know, 50-foot trailers. That extra 3 feet makes a big difference, man. We'll see. Just got to keep on trucking, I guess, you know. Well, she's parked for the night. We got a load starting up in the morning, so she's not too bad looking, really. Not too bad at all. Look at that. Not too bad. I do have to go get some load locks, so maybe they'll have them in here. If not, then I'll just pick them up at the TO on the way out. Yeah, I've got one load lock, but most places want you to have two, and I like to have two just in case. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go home for the night, make a video out of this. Maybe we'll figure a way out, you know. That's the problem. I gotta go grab a mask too while I'm here. That's the other thing, is I order an Uber and he's on his way, Masood. So looks like he's got a 5-star rating. We'll see about that. All I know is I gotta use the bathroom. So there we go. Let's go in here.